No.
Ooh, I found a cave.
Cool. And I found another one.
I hope I found like 1,000. Oh no, don't die. I died. Okay, I didn't die. I didn't die. It's all good.
It's all good.
For some reason, I found a very high crystal heart. Like it's pretty high up on the surface.
I have 140 health now.
Oh, you stupid one. How did you get another
I
crystal
found
heart?
one.
I did.
Oh, what? It's so dark. I can't see. Oh.
Guess who has torches?
Not me.
Yes, exactly.
Oh my god, no!
Not
No! Oh god, that's... Do I have bombs? No, I don't.
Hope you need die. Because you have not yet died. And it's really annoying. We need to get a demolitionist so we can get some demonite. I love how we don't even have full health and I'm already talking about
I
getting
know, I was
demonite.
like, what's wrong with you, man? Oh no.
No!
Oh, I got so good timing. Oh my god.
I have a better sword than you though, so I feel accomplished.
I don't
Wait.
care.
Did you find out?
Ooh, another cave.
Did you find a hook for a grappling hook?
We need hooks.
Yeah, did you find any?
No hooks.
No, but come on, get it. Don't die now.
No hooks, sir.
No!
Another death.
I'm good.
Oh crap.
Be back in a second.
Oh man, they're dying a lot. And I'm actually living a lot this time.
Just help.
No, I don't wanna fall in there.
I'll be back.
You will be, huh? No, I don't want to die. No, I'm gonna die. Or not. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh no, I did not die. Wow, really? Nothing for that?
I got somewhere else.
Nice. Do some. Pick it up! Ah! Can I find anything? What's this? Yep, of course I'll find this.
Can I ever get down?
Oh man.
I'm at 11 health. 140. I need potions.
We need to get the miner's helmet, man.
Yes, we do. First, we need to get a merchant.
Yeah, we need merchant. I only have 32 silver on me.
If we find a lucky horseshoe, you're giving it to me.
Oh, is that? Yes, it is.
Cause there's no. No, don't die, don't die! Oh my gosh!
Oh no, it's dark. I can't see. No! No! There's silver! No ore, I mean not silver. Iron. I can't die now. Never. Well, eventually, yeah. Oh, not right now, man. Not right now. I'm just.
Why is there a zombie in the house? How did? Oh my gosh. Guy, did you just
Probably the guy that opened the door and been stupid like all the time.
Because he's dumb. Oh! I forgot zombies can go under platforms and we have a platform. I found a falling star. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do to beat you. I'm gonna find falling stars. And I'm gonna laugh in your face when I'm casting spells and you're just sitting there.
I'm not much of a person that casts spells. I'm more of a melee person. So now what?
But when I have stars falling out of the sky, you'll be sorry.
I'm not sorry, dude. I'm not sorry. So I'm not sorry right now.
Oh my god!
How many times have you? No, I'm gonna die now. I'm gonna die now. I'm gonna die now. There you go. You're supposed to be sad when I die, man. Come on. Oh my god, why am I in here? Okay, now I'm gonna die again. Oh, I'm gonna die. No. Yep. Lame. I died at the spawn. That's lame. What's up? I'm gonna jump over this guys. Ooh.
Just
No,
do
no
it.
more lag. Stop lagging. No. Open the door. Close the door. Yes. That's how you do it.
I have a bed.
Oh man.
Alright, I'm getting 2 iron changes. Ooh,
Oh man. What is up? Oh, what is this? Oh, damn. 20? Seriously? Already. This has more defense, so I would get that. Oh god, zombie in! No, why is zombie in?
Again, I have 11 health. This is so
Why
dumb.
is this getting in here?
Alright, I'm going to where you were.
I'm putting a shirt on so I don't take so much damage.
I always have a shirt on. I don't know about you, but I get dressed.
Not that. You silly, silly, silly.
Silly boy.
We need to make a.
Silly boy.
We need to make a bed.
We need to find out why I keep dying.
Ooh, what's this?
I found where you died, and I'm gonna take your money.
Yes, do so. Oh, I thought it was a slab right here. I don't need this. I'm actually gonna hold on to this.
I don't
make. Bam! Look at that. I am so not looking cool. I look so pathetic. Ooh, it's daytime.
I'm
What's
gonna
up?
make gold.
It's daytime.
Iron. Hope I found like a gigantic thing of iron, and then just like build
I'm
myself up.
freezing. 0 frames per second. Damn it, it's lag. Leave me alone, lag. What's up? I'm here.
No one cares.
You're so mean.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! I hit it!
That's what you get. For being so mean. Ah, you right on where I planned this thing. Oh look, money. I think that was mine.
So instead of making 2 picks for you and me, you make iron armor and silver helmet.
I couldn't make picks. I didn't have enough.
Me. I know it's alive.
Oh wow, demon
Back.
hunter. And I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Again, I'm going through the process of making stuff.
Oh, I can make them. Wow. Oh, that's so a lot.
I have a bed.
Place it so we don't have to keep spawning outside.
I'm gonna wait till you go down there to place it. Nope, now you can make up.
Huh?
Suck it.
Really?
No bed for you.
Well,
Mine.
I could just use this bomb I have, you know, and just blow up the whole house.
Nope, nope. You can use that. Go ahead. I'm running away. I'm taking my bed with me.
Yes, I have enough. We don't have to do this.
Yes, we do. She'll never spawn.
Seriously, let's not do this. I don't care, I'm just gonna go down. Don't put the bed. When I die, I'm still gonna come back up there.
I put the bed down, you know. I was just waiting until you left. Whoa, no! Don't die. How do you do
Oh
that?
god. I'm not telling you, because you do that thing.
Hey, I put it
Still,
back,
but then when I wasn't up there.
yeah, point.
Oh.
Okay, I'm not going down there. I'm so in that. Rambo style. Wow! Yeah! Yeah! No, get out! No! Okay.
Relax and relax. Oh no.
I need health.
Get help.
Do you have any potions?
I probably do, but what should I tell you?
That really hurts.
Let's
Oh, come on!
damn right.
Oh, wow. How do I die then? I need a lucky horseshoe.
Yeah, we both do.
Hey, you never die from fall damage.
I have another bomb.
I feel like I'm getting cheaped out in this deal.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Whoa, hold on.
Hello.
I'm coming. That's what she said. I'm here. It's okay. Look at you taking all the stuff I dug. I'm gonna get this pie and all this over.
Oh,
Whoa,
yeah.
mama slime. Oh boy. I have a feeling there's something good down there. It's a whole big cave, dude. We should go down there.
I'm an explorer.
Oh, give me some potions. You know, I'm going with you. Because every time I
No, you did that thing. You can't beat me over that. Yep, we're.
There's another mob.
Oh no, that's not good.
Oh boy.
Oh, what's up? What did I find? What's up? What did I just found?
What? Oh, I found something better than you. I found a chest with Man of Regeneration. What up? What up? You can't get this. I was hoping that would be something better. But no. Just a Man of Regeneration. I guess it's better than nothing.
No, I don't wanna die. No, this is lag.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
okay.
was lagging. Trust me. Once you watch the video, you see that I lagged. And I'm lagging.